the world is in need of aid, especially so after USAID was harshly closed down and a large part of the world charity was stopped, leaving millions of people who are already in the worst possible situation you can be in, left alone. That is not okay. At the same time, the travel industry is doing good. There are more people traveling globally than there have ever been before. Since the pandemic ended, the margins in the industry have gone up. Travel industry is also one of the least affected industries by the global financial chaos going on. There are no tariffs on travel. It means that the travel industry is actually in a good position to help out. We can. And being able to do so means that we have a moral obligation to do so. So we take the lead on this. Our company, Avionero, while we already have the lowest flight prices on the market, is hereby going to donate 10% of all our revenue to charity. Not just 10% of the company profit, 10% of all our revenue. And I challenge all the companies in the travel industry, especially all the larger ones, to match us and do the same. And I invite you, as a traveler and a user, to be considerate about which companies and services you use, so that we can maximize the good we do together.